It's a breeze to make homemade baby food. With the Baby Brezza One-Step Food Maker Deluxe, you can automatically steam and blend homemade baby food in one easy step. Just add food to the bowl, press start, and in as little as 10 minutes, you'll have a delicious puree or mash for your baby. The Food Maker Deluxe can steam and blend vegetables, fruit, meat or fish in its 825 milliliter bowl, so you can make multiple portions at once. And its precision blade always blends to the perfect consistency. The Food Maker is easy to use and clean. The steam tank is fully accessible, the water tank is removable, and the bowl blade are dishwasher safe. Plus, the Food Maker includes 3 reusable food pouches and filling funnels to make storage and serving a breeze. Mums love it, calling it the best baby food maker. Making healthy and delicious homemade baby food has never been easier than with the Baby Brezza One-Step Food Maker Deluxe.